Hey guys, it's Scott here, and today I wanted to do a quick review on the HPRC3500 hardshell backpack for the DJI Mavic Pro and Zoom. The version I have here today with me is the version that's meant for the smart controller, and basically it's really nice because you got all these compartments that are laser cut to fit your drone accessories that actually hold 5 intelligent flight batteries, as well as the drone, the smart controller. There's a compartment for your Mavic car charger. You've got compartments up here for various USB adapters, your battery charging hubs, and then a little slot for some cables. And it's a really good backpack when you need to hike into an area to do some aerial videography. Now this pack is good for extreme conditions. It's a hard shell pack and it's waterproof and watertight. So really nice backpack to have on the run. No sense in lugging something, you could just sling it on your back. One thing I will say is I've noticed when I put my drone in, this little area about right here, and I don't know if it's my specific cut on this unit, but I do like to pull this back, like just put my finger there and pull this back when I pull the Mavic out, just because I hear a little bit of the drone clip on there because it's so snug. But that's also a good thing because it's a sign that, you know, your drone and your accessories are nice and secure inside the pack. And like I said, this one is for the smart controller, the new DJI smart controller. And you can keep both of the joysticks right on there in the pack. There's no need to take them off when you pack it up. Now, the pictures on the order link that I bought them from on B&H, which I'll leave a link below, but it did show the propellers on the unit. I just would rather not take that chance, so I do take the propellers off when I do pack my drone in the backpack. But, you know, like I said, the picture does show it with them on, but I definitely don't want to take any chances and clip the propellers, so I take those off and just keep those in my vest. It's a really well-made product. The company's actually out of Italy. You know, it's got some padded straps on the back of it. It actually feels really good on your back when you're hiking for a good distance. Nice and padded backside as well back here. And then you've got a rubberized handle up here that makes the grip nice and soft but firm. Then you got an egg crate foam at the top that guards all your expensive gear. Yes, I'll leave a link below, but definitely you should look into this HPRC3500 if you've got a Mavic Pro or a Mavic Zoom. Of course, like I mentioned, this is with a smart controller, but it makes a nice snug fit and is definitely a good investment, and I would highly recommend picking up one of these for your next trip out to fly your drone.